So here at Frost we do a range of tank sealers, and the Fertan Tapox 2K actually is great for GRP tanks as well. So the Power 15 tank sealer is great for steel tanks and aluminium tanks, even brass if you wanted to. But this particular product, 2K Tapox, you can actually also line GRP tanks as well. Process is pretty similar. Two sizes. You get part A and part B. Part B is your activator. Now, it's a 1-to-1 mixing ratio this. This smaller kit will do up to a 40 litre tank. The larger kit will let you do up to an 80 litre tank. So the main thing is that when you're mixing part A and part B together, it's better if you can do it with some sort of like drill attachment. You really need to get it stirred up really well. It takes about 10-15 minutes. You do need that chemical binding between the activator and the product. Looks a bit like red oxide in the tin, but it is extremely durable. It's also acid resistant as well. So if you want to line, say, a battery tray, something like that, you can also use this product. Once it's on, you cannot get it off. The tank itself must be clean and it must be dry, goes without saying. Once you pour this in, give it a good swirl around. Only takes 5-10 minutes. It's quite a thin product. Do drain off any excess that's left as well. You don't want to be puddling in the bottom of the tank. But what this one does require, after you've drained the tank back out, is a little bit of airflow. You are going to have to just try and get some sort of airflow going into the tank, whether it's from a small pump, air pump, or anything along those sort of lines. It does require that little bit of airflow to make it dry. But once it's dry, believe me, you are not getting this stuff out of the tank. Even our gel strip remover doesn't touch it. It hardly softens it. Even the Fertan Sealeater does not touch this particular product. So highly, highly durable, but brilliant for GRP tanks. Won't do plastic tanks. I haven't come across anything that does that yet. But GRP tanks, if you've got one, you can seal it. Thank you.